Girls, thumbs up from me as usual. God bless you all. Thank God for the grace. Today's short and sweet video is going to be about this little micro EDC everyday carry Urban Micro EDC kit. Got this little pouch. Someone was throwing it away, so I said, oh, okay, I'll have that. Nice little pouch. So I thought I'd make a little kit with it. It's got a little belt clip on the outside, and then I'll show you the pockets as we go along on the inside. Right, guys and girls, without further ado, I'll start off with this top little bag here. A couple of little towels, put a couple of drops of water on there. Right here we've got a bit of chapstick with some Gorilla Tape. Here we've got two water purification tablets, a couple of alcohol wipes, and a bag there to process my water. Here I have a little sewing kit, buttons, etc., safety pins, needles, ready to go. Nice little long baggie. So what I've done is I can fold it over nicely like so and whack it in the pocket here on the pouch. It's got a little pocket right at the back there, so I'll just whack that within there nicely. That fits in there. Right, guys and girls, moving along. Some shampoo. Always need shampoo and soap. Always handy to have some. So I'll whack that in the behind right there. Here I have a little mirror and a little Fresnel lens at the back there. Okay guys, moving along to your right hand side. Here I just got a little med kit, tiny little med kit, couple of plasters, some salt, some more safety pins, paracetamol, a diarrhea tablet, allergy pill, something for your corn if you get a blister on your foot, a couple of ear protectors. What I'll do with this is this can go straight into this little pocket here. It's got a little mesh pocket right here, nice little mesh pocket with a zipper, so I can whack that in there nicely. There you go, guys. Okay, so that's a tiny little med kit. Alright, guys and girls, moving on. Button compass, whack that in here like so. Some builder string, very handy, about 3 foot of builder string with sort of elastic band, always handy as well. Okay, guys and girls, so builder string, very good strong piece of cordage, so that'll go in the back there. Okay, staying on your right hand side, just got one of those little Stanley multi-tools, very handy, little mini pliers, little knife, screwdriver, little scissors in there, little tin opener, bottle opener, etc. Phillips, normal screwdriver, so handy to have. Nice little folding Stanley. And what I do with that is that can go in here. Alright, guys and girls, just bear with me a second. There you go. So that goes in there. Right, and just here we have the Urban Power, brilliant little knife here, about 1 inch long, and it's got a little serrated and a nice little blade right here, very sharp little blade. Urban Power, look into those. Okay, what I'll do with that, guys, is I'll just whack that straight in here like so. Okay, so that's your little Urban Power right there. Moving on, got a little Bic lighter. Okay, with some electrical tape on there as well. Very good little Bic lighter. Okay, I'll whack that inside here. Okay, guys and girls, moving on. Little bit of super glue, little small one. Always handy to have. Super glue for wounds, fixing things, etc. Whack that inside there. Alright, guys and girls, moving on. Here I've got a little selection of blades, little Stanley blades, a couple of those in there. Always handy to have a couple of little blades, do little chores. What I'll do with that is I'll whack that under there like so, put it near the glue. Moving on, in here I've just got a little hacksaw mini. What I've done, it was about that long, but what I did is I cut it in half. That goes in here with a little med kit, or I can whack it in here. Okay, just zip up the little med kit, and last but not least, another little baggie, couple of batteries, and the little O-light, fantastic little torch. Okay guys, with a couple of spare batteries, O-light, the i3E EOS, if you can see that there. Alright guys and girls, so that's coming to the end of the video now, guys and girls. So yeah, there's my little Urban Micro EDC kit. What you do is you just roll this up in the baggie and squeeze it through this bit here, hopefully without too much hassle. Alright, guys and girls, so that goes through there. So there we have it, guys and girls, your little micro EDC. Let me just do that. Little micro EDC kit. Thanks for watching the video, guys and girls. If you like, subscribe, share if you like. And that folds down nicely. Let me just actually close it for you guys, just to show you that it does close. It's got quite a lot of gear in there, so you kind of move it around a little bit, just so that it finds its place. Okay, guys and girls, there you have it. This is the little Urban Micro EDC kit. Ready to go. Put it in your cargo pocket, your jacket pocket, your EDC kit. You could have it in your bag, bug out bags, anywhere you want, guys. So that's just my little micro EDC kit right there. Thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you on the next one. Be careful out there, and God bless you all. And God willing, I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.